With the new Create PR feature in Visual Studio, I can go ahead and create a new branch. Here I'm basing it off of my development branch. I can go ahead and make a change. In this scenario, I'm doing a simple rename, but it's going to affect a couple different files. And when I stage and add my commit message, I'll be ready to commit and then push. And now this link, instead of taking me out into the browser, takes me to the new pull request window where I can click between my changes, edit or add my title, and I can also add a description. Here I'm going to use the feature search to find the description item that I want to reference. And when I create this PR, this will be linked to that item. I can view my pull request in the browser afterwards. And I can also leave feedback, which we really need to help improve this feature. Thanks for watching.